We've had so much fun bringing the Bowtie Bunch along with us on our trip to Hawaii to the beautiful Disney Aulani Resort. Just wanted to update you with a short video on some of the things that are going on. Let's go through and show you a few of the highlights of what's been happening this past week. And be sure to stick to the end for another little surprise coming up later today, December 13th. And got something I'm trying to cook up for you. Stick around. Of course, the very first thing I wanted to mention is don't forget to go over to Adventures with Me and T and listen to one of their playlists. Hit the play all. We're trying to get them monetized. We have crossed the 3,700 hour mark. They have less than 300 hours to go to get monetized, and we want to get them to that point sooner than later. Of course, if you joined us for the Volcano live yesterday, you know that we were out at Kilauea Volcano inside of Mauna Loa and Mauna Kea, and we got to see Mauna Kea from Kilauea, which turns out is very rare because by noon that day, Mauna Kea was hidden by the fog, which is normally what happens. So we were very lucky to get to see the peak in the distance of Mauna Kea. That was so much fun. I was happy to have y'all along and share the whole event with you. If you hadn't seen that yet, be sure and go over and look at the live stream. It's available on replay. Play the live chat replay as well. It was a lot of fun. I enjoyed it. I hope everyone else had as much fun as I did. And of course, we're on vacation, so we've got to have a little bit of fun. I did go and do the Menehune Trail, which is a very interesting experience. You get to control the various parts of the resort around you, and it's just fun to see what the different things happen when you're going through this little tablet experience. Also, I did a little tour of the nature of Aulani, and it was very interesting to see how the culture tied in with Aulani and all the plants and the importance of the different sides of the resort, the masculine and feminine side of the resort, and all the things that go into that. The levels of design here go so much deeper than I ever had imagined. Of course, all the pools, the hot tubs, the lazy river, and everything here in the Waianae Valley of the Disney Aulani Resort are just beyond amazing, second to none, and so much fun to experience. We had a lot of time to spend in the valley here and just explore every little corner of everything that's going on here. And of course, in true Disney fashion, like any resort, there's all kinds of hidden treasures everywhere, no matter where you look. The critters and creatures hidden in the walls and the features and everything else. Just truly amazing. Be sure to catch the replay of our first live here announcing where we were and some of the stuff we did there. This is just such a beautiful garden. This is normally a gardening channel, and it's one of my favorite things about Disney Aulani is these gardens, which are just completely amazing. By the way, that red flower that Francesca, you were asking about, and I think a few other people were asking about in our first live that we did here, it was red ginger. It's a beautiful plant, and it's such a neat thing to have around here. Unfortunately, it is not native to Hawaii, as is somewhere between 80 and 90% of the rest of the plants that are here. There are mostly non-native plants here, and that's because things have... I get airplanes here too. Just feels just like I'm home, doesn't it? Anyway, it's not because of anything too terribly bad, though, things have happened over the years, and we just live with our history, and we proceed and find the best of it. And like the mongoose, here's a video of the mongoose I found, and I'm going to try to shoot some more of the mongoose that we have around here, which are not native, but were brought here somewhere between the 1940s and the 1970s. Very interesting story there. But the red ginger, yeah, beautiful, beautiful flowers. It's not very tasty. I've researched a little bit, and it seems like you can use the flower and the leaves of the red ginger, but I don't know if I want to dedicate space in my small garden yet to the red ginger, as beautiful as it is. And of course, being on a Disney resort property, we had to go to a character breakfast, me and Mrs. Bowtie. Went over to this very restaurant right over here and really enjoyed some time with Mickey and Minnie, and we also saw Chip and Dale there. We had the Texas Garden Guy t-shirt, and it was amazing how many people recognized Destin on the t-shirt. We had a lot of fun with that. And of course, Mrs. Bowtie, being the Disney fan that she is, she hit the shops, which are right up inside there, bought all kinds of thises and that's and whatnots, And yes, that's a real bird right there. We established that in our announcement that where we were on Monday. And right above the bird, you can see Mickey back here posing with people for the next character breakfast. All kinds of fun going on here. And of course, tonight we are going to a luau. Haven't been there yet, but by the time this video comes out tomorrow morning for me, for you it's Saturday morning, we will have been there. I want to put a little bit of B-roll in here just to see what it looked like. It was on property, just the other side of the Iwa Tower over here to my left. It will be so much fun. We're already familiar with this kind of event, and we know how it goes. So the very last thing, of course, is going to be Enoch's community show coming up a little later on today. Be sure and go over to the Urban Gardener and check out his live show. You can see what time it's going to be for your time zone in the live section of his page. I will put a link to it right here in the top corner of this video if you're on a device that will take those kind of links, and I will also put it in the description below so you can be sure not to miss, hopefully, our special appearance on Enoch's show coming up later today. I'm very excited. We have a nice surprise location that I want to, okay, I can't hold the surprise. We're going to be at the Punch Bowl Memorial Cemetery for the Pacific, and it's a beautiful place. The flowers, the gardens are just amazing. We may have to be a little quieter or find a remote spot where we can share a little better, but looking forward to sharing that with you as well, and that will be likely our very last appearance for this trip, so be sure and check that out. And at this point, I normally say your garden doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be yours. But boy, these gardens are so perfect. Have a blessed day.